Namaste dosto. Hello friends. Let's begin with the chapter 1 in our journey to learn Hindi with Neha. This chapter is about Varnamala, introduction to Varnamala. Before that friends, let me inform you that I have uploaded several videos and many more to come, all in the journey to learn Hindi with Neha, and all videos are on three different segments, that is reading, writing and on spoken Hindi. So you can refer to all the videos for your learning as well as refer to your friends who want to learn Hindi from English. So let's move on to the first slide. Varnamala. This word itself is made from two different words, Varna and Mala. Varna you can pronounce as V-A-R, Var and Ena, Varna. And what it means the smallest or the tiniest sound like that of an alphabet. In Hindi, we call it dhwani, and mala is M-A-L-A. You can pronounce ma-la. It's simple. Mala means garland or a set of things arranged systematically. Therefore, Varnamala is the set of letters in a fixed order, which is used for writing the words of a language. So, which language we are discussing here? We are talking about Hindi language. Friends, just like in other languages, say, for example, in English, we have the alphabets arranged systematically. We know that B will come after A, C will come after B, and so on. Similarly, in Hindi also, the alphabets are arranged systematically, basically according to their originality, from where and origin of their sound. Varnamala. Now, what Varnamala consists of? The first part is Swar, vowels. It's S-W-A-R, Swar. The second part is VYANJAN, consonants. Then moving ahead, there is another part which is the Sanyukt Vyanjan or the combined consonants. Now, how can you pronounce Vyanjan? You can break this word in two parts, V-Y-A-N, Vyan, and J-A-N, Vyanjan. Then, similarly, this Sanyukt Vyanjan also, for Sanyukt again you can break the word in two parts, S-A-N, Sun, Sun, Y-U-K-T, Sanyukt Vyanjan. So how many are they in number? The total Varnamala set of letters consists of 52 letters, out of which 13 is Swar, 35 is the Vyanjan, and 4 is the Sanyukt Vyanjan. Then, moving next, first we start with the Swar. This word vowels, vowel is derived from a Latin word vocalis, which means voice. Therefore, why these particular set of letters are known as vowels? Just like in English we have A, E, I, O, U. Because these letters do not require support of any other letters for their sound. They have their own original sound. So let's read them in short. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ri, E, E, O, O, Aha. So the first line of 11 letters from A till O, these are the swar, pure swar. Then this this is known as anuswar. How can you pronounce? Again break it, A-N-U, anu, and swar. Then again this aha, it is known as visarg, V-I-V, S-A-R, sar, G, G-A. Visarg. So this is the set of 13 swar in Hindi. Now next we move on to the consonants. Vyanjan, the consonants. Why are these in different set other than the vowels? Because Vyanjan requires support of swar for their sound. Let's read them in short. Ka, kha, ga, gha, anga, cha, tha, ja, jha, nya, ta, tha, da, ra, dha, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. So from ka to ha, these are the 35 Vyanjan. The last four are the Aksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. These are what? These are the Sanyukt Vyanjan, the combined consonants. These four letters are taken from Sanskrit. So here we are done with the introduction of Varnamala. Thank you friends. Please do not forget to watch our next video which is on the Hindi vowels reading, the Swar reading. And please subscribe, like and share our videos for more and more learning in the journey to learn Hindi with Neha. Namaste.